comes the 0-3 of Jaskell to make the mix more interesting. Jaskell, second overall in points. Just 20 back of Katnak, the points leader. Katnak went out, scored 24th. This is an opportunity for Jaskell to make a lot of points up on him. The third place truck is 0-3. Look at that crossover. Look at that crossover out of the 23 Spencer. Oh, come on, run it on in there, dude. Look at this crossover. Oh, it's the 5, McGowan. If you're bored, leave now. Oh, they rub on each other. They're coming to the white flag. They're coming to the white flag. It's the 5 and the 23. The 23 and the 5. It's the 23 at the white flag. 32,000 separated them. Look at the 5 down low. Going to slide job up high. Crossover is Clark. Final corner. Final corner. Money corner. Money corner. According to my computer, the 5 got there first by 0.2 of a second. The 5 McGowan over the 23 of Clark.